Homesteading sucks. Living off-grid sucks. Hauling garbage sucks. Hauling waste really sucks. Hauling water sucks. Trying to find a reliable source for that water sucks. Broken down machines, they suck too. Trees dying before you can get them into the ground sucks. Animals eating your plants and trees sucks. Weeds suck. This lifestyle can be difficult from time to time. And every single person who has done this has considered quitting at least once. If they tell you they haven't, they're either lying or they're not challenging themselves enough. And there's a saying, if you show me somebody who has never failed in life, I'll show you somebody who has never tried. I'm being visited by my cat. There's a gentleman in our community. I've never met him before. He seems like a good person. His name's Ben. And he's going through a rough patch. And I don't blame him. Everybody here can understand difficulties that each other is going through. We're a part of a community. And as much as we can, we're here to support each other. You know, there's a lot of homesteaders, within the first 2, 3, 4 years down in Arizona, a lot closer than I am. I'm up here in eastern Washington. All I can offer as far as help is, encouraging words, and that's about it. Because like most other homesteaders, I'm broke, so I can't help, financially with anything. We're trying to get a well for the property, and that's, outrageous cost. Can't get anything else done on the property without a well. Have to get the well, and in order to get any permits to do anything else. I've personally never met Ben, but I can tell that he's a hard worker. He's a problem solver, figures things out. I know by the time he watches this, if he does, he's going to have pretty much everything under control, going to have things figured out. Then of course there'll be some other problem that'll come up, but that's life. That's just something that happens. Like right now, got a cat on my lap. I'm not going to be able to get up for a while. My leg's falling asleep. But anyways, I wanted to put this video out there. Just say keep up what you're doing. People that choose this lifestyle aren't stupid. We're hard workers. At the very least, good problem solvers. And as cheesy as it sounds, enjoy the little things. I'm sure there's lots of little things to enjoy. This cat's needs are so simple. He just loves his dad and loves eating or leaving half-eaten mice on the porch. Yep. He shares his meals. Hopefully you can hear me. I just realized he's pretty much up against the microphone. Probably hear him purring. But anyways, I wish everybody the best of luck. If you're currently going through something, I'm truly sorry. I know things will get better for you. Till next time, just remember, you want to hear God laugh? Tell him you have a plan. Faux shizzle.